Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will write a Python program to calculate total number of students and the percentage of male and female students. So first, we will have variables for the number of male and female students. This would be male 0, female, and then we have total number of students. And the percentage of male and female students. This would be male percent, female percent, and then we are going to get the number of male students. So this would be male. And we are going to use input function, and then we are going to prompt the user, please enter the number of male students. And now we are going to get the number of female students. Here we are converting the input uh, coming from user to integer value. So this will be input. Please enter the number of female students. And now we are going to calculate the total number of students. This will be total students will be set to male student plus female. And now we are going to calculate the percentage of male students. So this will be male percent. This will be set to male divided by total students. And now we are going to calculate the percentage of female students. So this would be female percent. This would be female students divided by total students. And then we are going to print the percentage of male students. So this will be print male students. This would be male percent, and we are going to format the output. Are printing the floating point value, and the same way we are going to print the percentage of a female student. Just gonna copy it and modify it. This will be female format. And now we can run our program and check the output. And we can run our code and check the output. So first we need to enter the number of male students. I will go with 68. And for female, 39. And here are the percentage for male and female students. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.